Wildfires pose an increasing threat to humans and the natural and built environment. My name is MJ Johns, and our interactive demo at KaiPlay is designed to support players in understanding wildfire and mitigating risks through behavior change and collective action. This playful wildfire simulation was developed at the University of California, Santa Cruz, and is supported by a grant from the National Science Foundation. We targeted our design for the system to be useful to the general public. While wildfire simulation tools already exist, most have a steep learning curve and require a prerequisite understanding of fire behavior. Our simulation system uses gameful elements and animation to teach players about wildfire and allows them to experiment and explore the simulation to develop their own understanding. To develop our system, we started by exploring existing approaches to understanding and teaching about wildfire. Burn demos are an impactful way to introduce the general public to concepts like home hardening, using different building materials to reduce flammability and securing the critical 5-foot zone around the base of the house by removing any potential fuel sources like mulch or plants. We considered existing tools like Fire Dynamic Simulator, or FDS, which experts use to analyze past fires and predict future fires. These tools offer a realistic and data-driven approach to understanding fire, but they are complex and not geared towards use by the general public. Our exploration also took us to existing entertainment games that use fire simulation as part of their gameplay. RimWorld uses a semi-realistic fire system that somewhat accurately simulates fire jumping from trees to buildings and burning flammable building materials like wood, while non-flammable materials like stone and metal are safe. As we explored, we developed our own understanding of wildfire and the Wildland Urban Interface, or WUI. And we began to consider how we could translate this into a game-like experience to leverage the approachability of games in an effort to work towards broader community-level wildfire resilience that bridges expert knowledge with the lived experience of residents. And so we set to work developing our wildfire simulation system in the Unity game engine and integrating it into 2 minigames, one with a top-down view and one with a close-up view of 2 houses. For the fire simulation, we isolated and abstracted important concepts like how fire spreads from trees to nearby structures and how embers blow on the wind. In the top-down minigame, we also simulate the traffic that happens during an evacuation, with cars using agent-based modeling to try to get to a shelter while avoiding the fire. In the second minigame, we get close up to individual houses, and the player does home hardening tasks to protect the houses from the fire, like upgrading materials and choosing flame-resistant plants. Our second minigame also leverages cooperative play by encouraging players to learn through active discussion with another player. We invite you to play our demo for yourself to learn more and to share with others who may benefit from learning about wildfire. You can scan this QR code or visit ucscwildfiregames.itch.io and play the Wildfire Resilience minigame collection from any phone, tablet, or web browser. If you'd like to contact me about this project, you can reach me at mljohns@ucsc.edu or on LinkedIn.